Alright, so hey, hi everyone, Pratik here. Today is 1st June 2026 and let's quickly get into today's day. आज कैसा था दिन and what all I have did today. So same, we have 4 steps to discuss on. First is FR, second is DT, third is SPOM and fourth is fitness and routine junk and all. First, FR. Did I study FR today? No. It is pending cause currently I am working on SPOM. My exams are on 3rd of June. So I have to focus on it and I have to clear it. Hence FR is on pending. Once I'll be able to clear this exam, my all SPOM exams would be done and I would be comfortably, easily, I can do FR and DT. So second is DT. Did I study DT today? So great, yes. It was a very great lecture. Actually Vijay Sada sir is actually very good and I'm getting confidence over this subject. So let's complete this. The lecture would be posted on their their system and the timings would basically be 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. 7 to 10 a.m. and my target would be to sit on live lectures to complete it on daily basis. That's it, and to do homework regularly. And last part is did I work out today? Yes, I did work out today. So great, cheers to me. Did I eat junk today? Yes, that could be improved in tomorrow. That can be improved tomorrow. Apart from this, what currently I would be doing? I would be going home. I would be solving DT questions, which Vijay Sada sir gave me homework. So that's the thing. I would be doing one hour of SPM question solving and I think I would be easily clearing SPM exams. Set C. So I don't see any bottleneck over there. So apart from that, what would be our tomorrow's target to achieve? First, FR. No FR to be done for today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. DT, yes, I have to watch lecture. I don't have to miss any of the lectures. Third, SPOM. Next 2 days would be completely allocated to SPOM exams. And fourth, workout. Yes, it should be done. And junk is the thing which I would avoid tomorrow. So studies are going pretty well. And tomorrow I would be waking up early and starting my day beautifully. So yeah, take care guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow on daily update.